Jitin, do you know what is a LinkedIn account? Who uses it?
Yes, ma'am. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform, and as far as I know, working professional and job aspirants are the common users of LinkedIn.
That's right. Do you have a LinkedIn account, Jitin?
No, ma'am, but I wanted to create one soon.
Okay. So let me help you create one profile today. Please open a web browser and share your screen. In the address bar, please type www.linkedin.com. So now that you have opened the LinkedIn page, it is asking for an email or phone number along with a password for you to log in. I would want you to create a new profile using the new to LinkedIn join now option. How would you like to create your profile? Would you like it with your email ID or phone number, Jitin?
Email ID, ma'am.
Okay, can you please type the email ID for logging into your LinkedIn account? Also enter a preferred password. After you clicked on agree and join, you will now have to enter your first name and last name. So country will be India, city, district, you can enter your current location. Now, your profile helps you discover new people and opportunities, right? So you need to give your most recent job title here in this particular field.
Okay, but ma'am, I am a fresher, so what can I enter?
Okay, so if you are a fresher, then select fresher from the drop down. Can you please type fresher and see what appears? No, not I am a student. In the one above. Yes.
Here I can.
Okay. So can you select the employment type?
Okay, ma'am.
Which one of these suits you now? Which is the most recent company you have been associated with? So if you were a student who was not having any kind of opportunity yet, you could have selected I am a student and it would have guided you accordingly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now, can you please open your email account and type in the code whatever has been sent. Okay, please copy it and paste it on the LinkedIn confirmation page. Okay, so it is asking you this question. Are you looking for a job? So what option do you want to select right now?
Ma'am, I will select not now.
Okay. So is it the second or the last one?
Ma'am, I think the second one.
I am not interested in any job opportunity at the moment. Is that what you want to select?
Okay, ma'am, I will select.
Okay. Please click on next. So now you will be asked if you wish to let your contacts know that you are on LinkedIn right now. Okay. For that, it is asking for your email ID which you have entered so that it can import the contacts and check on LinkedIn whoever is available. Okay. Do you want to import the contacts? If yes, select continue. It's trying to get your contacts for which it is asking the selection of the account.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the people from your which LinkedIn found and they are currently having a LinkedIn account. So you will be seeing all of the contacts currently on LinkedIn and you can select whom you want to connect with.
Okay, ma'am. So I will connect with my peers first, my classmates from my graduation, and my mentors from college. I also have relatives, ma'am, who are in different sectors of the industry. Can I connect with them?
Yes, you should be able to connect with them, but be wise in selecting so that you will be able to understand the industry better and you'll be able to grow your network. And these are the people who will be keeping you informed about the industry, how things are changing, and how you will be able to upskill yourselves in your role and for future roles that you might be interested in. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Now, what should I do, ma'am?
So now you should select from these contacts. Can you see the plus sign there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that will help you in adding those people to your account You can select 1 or 2 contacts for now and then also add it later on. Okay, can you please click on connect to 2? This is also another way of expanding your network. There are email IDs from your contact which LinkedIn has fetched. They are people who are not yet on LinkedIn. But when you select their names or email address, LinkedIn is going to send them an invitation to join LinkedIn network, in which case you can select skip. So now it is also telling if you want to connect with any of the people shown below. Okay, they are suggestions which are coming in based on the company that you selected, right? Can you see these are people from EXL?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if you wish to connect, you can select their names. Otherwise, you can skip for now and connect with them later on. Please select skip for now. So at this point, you have to select a photo which will appear against your profile on LinkedIn. Okay, can you please click on the camera symbol here or select add photo? Yes.
Okay.
See, there are options to put filters, or you want to adjust the lighting effect, or you want to crop it. All of those are available here. See, the zoom option, the straighten option, all of these are also basic editing features which are available on your profile picture. Can you click on save photo?
Okay.
This is for downloading the app. You will be asked here if you want to follow anyone, any group or any individual, right? So you can make a selection based on your choice. Can you just scroll down to see if there is anything relevant? Yes. Can you see there? Because you entered your company name, suggestions based on that have been shown here. There are people, there are companies, etc. which have been populated here as suggestion. Based on your choice, you can select any and then start following them on LinkedIn. Click on finish. So congratulations, Jitin, you have your LinkedIn account created. Okay, there is your picture and me written. Can you see that? Click on the arrow there. Yes. Can you see settings and privacy? There is an option, settings and privacy. So in this section, you can add any new position that you have. You can make changes to your title. You can select the industry, add your education details, and you can also see that there is an option to notify these changes to your contacts in your network. So all of these options are available here. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am. I can see.
Yes. Okay, please go to the top right now. Okay, can you click on name, location and industry? So can you see it says edit intro? Okay, your first name, last name, whatever you had given while creating the account. If you wish to change that, and if you want your name to be displayed any better, you can give that. An additional name can also be given here. Okay, for example, you want to give Jitin A. Okay, so that name can also be given here. There are more details. Can you just scroll down here? There's something called as pronoun. If you click that, you can mention whether it's it's more like a gender that you want to let people know, for which you are selecting one from the option here. He, she, he, him, they, them, like that. Okay, it's more of a gender that you're selecting. It's called as pronoun here. Yes, you can select he, him. Then headline. See, under your name in the background, it is shown as fresher at EXL. If you want any other headline to be shown, you can mention the same here. It can be a title of your job role or anything else that you are going to mention. For example, if you are interested in banking domain, you can write here as interested in banking jobs. Okay, and you may want to take off the current company's name. You can put a headline according to your choice.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to add new positions, when you change jobs, you can come back here and add new positions. Or even if you get promoted in your current organization, you can come and update those details here.
Okay,
the
ma'am.
industry selection,
Right.
and whatever you ask next about education is what is mentioned here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can select the location also, your contact information, everything is editable in this particular option. Okay. I would I would definitely want you to add education details. On the top, can you see a jobs option? Okay. Now click into the search bar on the top of the page. See, you can also see that there are some job recommendations coming down there. But yes, you're right. You can click there and search against some particular title or a location also. You can select that. Right now, graduate in India. Okay, based on your current location, it is suggesting what are the different opportunities which have been listed on LinkedIn, matching the search that you have given. Okay, location you have given India and title you have given as graduate. So it has been listed here. Okay, so you can see here on the left hand side the different available job opportunities. You can scroll down and see. Yes. So against each job, you will be able to see the roles and responsibilities, the qualification that they are looking for. Basically, the job description is going to be mentioned there. And there is a small tip for you. You can also click on Save button on the job details page to save a job. So this one will keep a record of the jobs that are suitable for you, which you may want to apply later on. Now that you have a good idea about how to create a profile and add details, edit information, and even search for jobs, I hope that you will grow your LinkedIn network well and use it to your benefit to stay connected with professionals on this network.
Surely, ma'am. I always wanted to start using LinkedIn, but I don't know how to create a profile. But today I did it. Thank you, ma'am, for the guidance. I will explore more features gradually and utilize this platform for my professional growth.
I'm so glad that it was helpful for you, and good luck with your job search and stay connected with all the professionals in this platform. Thank you, Jitin. Have a good day.